So I'm always really drawn to these super cute ceramic pots that you can find at like Hobby Lobby. But for the plants that I have in my house, they're kind of useless because there's no drainage hole. So I've had them for a couple years and I keep watering and just waterlogging my plants. There's no way for them to drain or dry out at all. So my indoor plants have been suffering a bit. Found a bunch of these diamond hole saw bits. Quite a bit comes in the package for like $8. And I did a little tester on some glass. Just did a little drainage hole in one of my mason jars. Really worked well. Was no issues at all getting this hole. So I'm going to show you how I do that, and all my cute little pots that I haven't been using for fear of waterlogging my indoor plants will now be useful to me. Pour some water on top of this. And I'm going to start at an angle until I feel it kind of bite in there. Okay, if you can see that little bit of a nick in there. Some water back on that. And then I'm just going to start at the angle and just slowly bring it up. You can see it's starting to go through. More water. Here we go. Didn't like how my drill slammed down on it, but didn't break it, thankfully. And now one of my favorite little pots has a drainage hole. And my plant will do much better in this. I'm just gonna continue on doing the rest of the pots, and then I'll get some plants in these.